So NHRA actually just called and they said they want us to do some promo stuff for them. So we're going to get to them later this afternoon. They said they want us to do the use a car, do some street driving with it, pulling into the lanes and everything to basically get some stuff for hopefully the intro on Saturday and Sunday. So right now they've just committed to, hey, we can go street drive it. They want to film all that stuff or whatever. Going to see if I can talk them into doing a burnout because with the trailer on, because I know for a fact that at a national event, nobody's ever done a quarter-mile burnout with a trailer. So the goal is if I can talk them into it, and even though I can talk into a short distance or a burnout on the burnout pad, then by accident, I can go all the way down the quarter mile and do a burnout in front of all the spectators and everything. And I just think that'd be cool and something that's never been done before. So we'll see if we can get them talked into that. And we're gonna get everything ready to go for the street drive with them, take the camper around and see if we can get an intro for the Saturday and Sunday special. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Parachute come out?
I don't know, the thing just kicked out.
Like fell out?
Yeah. Started up and it freaking fell out.
There's only one way to do this. Can I push it in?
Did they pull the strap?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, push the ass in. Here, push it out.
see here. 6 Seconds 2.0 on the right, owned by Tom Bailey, and the Sorceress on the left, owned by Rod Chickfry out of Dubuque, Iowa. These are 4,000 horsepower street legal cars, and I mean street legal.
What's that?
You're on the grill.
Guess this is the cheap seat. All right, we're here at the Gator Nationals. We're up in the staging lanes. Camper in tow. Getting ready to do some cool stuff here at the NHRA. So we're going to be pulling in the lane soon with the trailer. You're going to have to see what happens. Make sure you subscribe and view, and you can see how this all turns out. All right, Garrett, don't know if you've ever done this before, but we're at an NHRA national event. We're at the Gator Nationals. Sportsman's running. We're getting ready to go up there, trailer attached, ready to camp out, and we're going to do an epic burnout, something that I don't think anybody's ever seen before at a national event. Stay tuned.
There you go. Gotta be cool.
This was shot the other night. Rod Chickfry's car, Tom Bailey's car, trailers on, rolling burnouts to the 8th mile.
It doesn't get any better than that. More coming up next.
I couldn't freaking see.
Your freaking Burnout was so badass. Oh, dude, you're smoked the whole freaking way until you let out.
I couldn't see. All the smoke came in the car, and I couldn't see anymore.
We couldn't see either, so it's all.
Oh, is
I
it?
could.
I'll just play the like I can still see. I kind of know what straight is, and then it got real thick, and I'm like, all right, maybe I should just let out. And then I tried to get it to go again, and it wouldn't. Like it didn't have enough oomph. But
Curb feelers.
so I need something to ding a little bit. So there you go. Trailer burnout, Gator Nationals. I don't think anybody's ever done it at an NHRA event. So Cletus McFarland, you're called out.
How did you get this job, Bert?
I don't know. I don't get the fun of making a mess, I just get the fun of cleaning it up.
God loves America. God loves the Gator Nationals. God loves the NHRA. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. For now, I'm off to bike week.